In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale an image without losing quality, megapixels matter, in Affinity Photo. If you've ever tried to make a small image larger and ended up with something soft or blocky, this workflow will help you get a cleaner, more detailed result by increasing the actual pixel count and using the right resampling method. Start by opening your image in Affinity Photo. The better your starting file, the better your outcome, so use the highest quality version you have. With the image open, we'll head to the resizing controls. Go to the Document menu and choose Resize Document. This is where you tell Affinity how big the image should be in pixels, which directly affects the megapixels. More pixels mean the software has more data to describe edges and textures, which is crucial when you're enlarging. In the dialog, focus on width and height set in pixels. Increasing these values increases your megapixels. A practical approach is to scale in reasonable steps, like 125% to 200% at a time, rather than jumping to something extreme. Keep an eye on the total pixel dimensions so you understand how large you're going. Also remember that the PPI value affects print size, not on-screen sharpness, so the key metric here is pixel dimensions. Next, set resample to Lanczos 3, non-separable. This resampling method is excellent for upscaling because it preserves edge contrast and detail more effectively than simpler algorithms, helping you avoid a mushy, over-smoothed look. It's designed to interpolate new pixels in a way that keeps lines crisp and textures believable. Make sure lock aspect ratio is on. This ensures your image scales proportionally and doesn't get stretched or squashed, which is especially important for faces, products, and anything with recognizable shapes. When everything looks right, click Resize. Affinity will generate the added pixels using the Lanczos algorithm. Once the resize completes, view the image at 100% zoom to judge real sharpness. Fit to screen can be misleading. If the result looks a touch soft, apply light sharpening. Subtlety is key here. Aim to enhance edges without creating halos or amplifying noise. A small radius with moderate intensity usually works best, and it helps to preview at 100% while you adjust. If your image has smooth areas like skies or skin, keep the sharpening gentle so you don't introduce grainy artifacts. Think of this as a final polish rather than a dramatic effect. That's it. By increasing pixel dimensions, using Lanczos 3, non-separable, keeping the aspect ratio locked, and finishing with light sharpening, you can upscale images in Affinity Photo while preserving clarity and detail.